Struggling forever to open this trailer. Found out that it was already unlocked. Wow. Mighty little, mighty small. Bathroom. Kind of dark. What is this? Weird. Close that out. Okay. Can't really see. So it's dark, but wow. Gives me an idea. It's nice, actually. I like this. It's an idea. That would be sitting right here chilling. Oop, well, maybe not too much chilling, but oh man, ouch! Butt my head. Let's see. I would take this out.